dokie. So it is a quadratic. It's set equal to 0, but we can't factor it. Because there is no w term, let's just subtract 4 from both sides and get this w squared alone, which we can undo now by taking the square root of both sides. So you've got w, because the square and the square root cancel, you've got w equals the square root of -4. And when you first took the test, you said correctly, it's like, hey, you can't take the square root of a negative number, so you said no solution. But he asked for all real and imaginary solutions. So you're correct in saying that there were no real solutions, but there are imaginary solutions. That square root of a negative is an imaginary. So if it were just the square root of 4, we would say 2, but because of that, we're going to make that negative in the square root an I. So, and every time you take the square root, don't forget that plus or minus. So your final answer is w equals plus or minus 2i.